If you are a foreign trained attorney and you want to practice law in the United States, listen up. Now, first of all, I did my undergraduate degree and my law school here in the United States, so I had to look up the answer to your question. Typically, there are two ways that a foreign attorney can practice law in New York. First is if they submit an educational equivalency with the New York State Board of Law Examiners. This process takes about 6 months, and it's to show that your foreign degree is equivalent to a Juris Doctorate degree here in New York. Now, if the evaluation is completed and it's deemed that your degree is not equivalent to the USJD, then you would typically need to take some coursework at a US ABA accredited law school. And what that usually means is that you would have to take an LLM program, which is the Master's of Law degree, after which you can then register to sit for the bar exam. But I think the bigger issue is trying to get the visa sponsorship so that you can legally work in the United States. It's very hard to justify spending all that money, time, and energy to first qualify to sit for the bar exam, and then say you pass the bar exam, having to find employers who can then sponsor your visa. That's where many attorneys find it difficult to come and practice law in the United States. It's a little bit different if they already have sponsorship or if they are already in the United States under some other kind of visa. So the two ways is first getting an educational equivalency, and if that doesn't work, then the second way is sitting for an LLM, a Master's of Law degree. What I've seen more commonly for foreign attorneys practicing in New York is if they are already working for a multinational law firm in their home country, and then they come into the United States as an L1 transferee or an L1 employee, where they're working for that foreign company that has an office here in New York. I think that's a very long answer to whether it's possible. It is possible for a foreign attorney to practice law in the United States or in New York specifically. The route is not as easy though. All right, hope that answers your question. Thanks for commenting and ask me more questions. Malaysia boleh.